Tipperary Credit Union, a financial institution in Tipperary town, undertook a complete retrofit of the facility, aiming to make it a greener, more environmentally friendly installation, including the installation of solar panels, electric vehicle chargers, heat pumps, and a complete heating upgrade. The purpose of the project was to provide a mixing loop solution. We did this with the MIXIT product, so as that we had a standalone solution to provide heat for the facility. The credit union facility here was about to go through an energy environmentally friendly upgrade. They completely retrofitted the heating, and one of those solutions is the MIXIT solution. Part of the solution required for this facility was to try to make all components as standalone as possible. The MIXIT solution is a complete standalone solution for a mixing loop scenario. So the benefits of MIXIT is that you significantly reduce the commissioning time and the installation time, because now you are down to only making significantly smaller number of connections in the system as opposed to the traditional system. Some benefits of the MIXIT solution as well is that it can connect to any BMS system through various means such as Modbus or BACnet. As well as that, you can also connect directly to the MIXIT solution for the purpose of commissioning, upgrade any software license by means of your phone or iPad through a dedicated Grundfos Go application. We brought the MIXIT solution to the market in Ireland by means of the SEAI Energy Show in 2021, and there it received the most innovative product of the year. The result for the customer is that they now have two MIXIT solutions which is serving two different areas of the facility, and they have a very comfortable environment in each of those two areas. The MIXIT solution typically replaces 10 to 12 components that are traditionally all separate items in the mixing loop application. Some of the objectives within this installation was to utilize products that were a complete standalone solution. The MIXIT is used here because it is completely a standalone solution. It is not required to have direct connection to a BMS, although that is used here from a monitoring point of view.